Hello everyone, welcome. We're going to have our reading tutorial using sight words. First, let's read the different sight words. Always, around, because, been, before, best, both, by, call, cold, does, don't, fast, first, five. This time, we're going to read the sentence for each sight words. First, I always brush my teeth before bedtime. Our sight word here is always. 2. We go around the city for some time. Our sight word here is around. 3. I came late because of the traffic jam. Our sight word here is because. 4. She has been asleep for the whole day. Our sight word here is been. 5. Pass your work before it's too late. Our sight word here is before. Next set. This is the best gift I ever received. Our sight word here is best. 2. We both like spaghetti. Our sight word here is both. Next, they buy me some bread. Our sight word here is buy. Next, I call my grandparents at the airport. Our sight word here is call. 5. Sally feels cold when she had a fever. Our sight word here is cold. Next set. Does the egg comes before the chicken? Our sight word here is does. Next. I don't think so. Our sight word here is don't. 3. Think fast. Our sight word here is fast. Next, you should go first. Our sight word here is first. 5. We got 5 for a perfect score. Our sight word here is 5. Okay, let's proceed to the next set of sight words. Let's read. Found, gave, goes, green, it's, made, many, off, or, pull, read, write, sing, sit, sleep. Let's proceed to our sentence. 1. She found something at the playground. Our sight word here is found. 2. She gave it to her mother. Our sight word here is gave. 3. Her father goes along with her. Our sight word here is goes. 4. They ride in a green car. Our sight word here is green. 5. She thought that its color is beautiful. Our sight word here is its. Next, the movie made me cry. Made is our sight word. Next, there were many people in the movie house. Our sight word is many. 3. The lights were turned off when it's time to start. Our sight word here is off. 4. I don't know what to choose, popcorn or french fries. Our sight word here is or. 5. I pull my mother's hand to hurry. Our sight word here is pull. Next, I read a story before bedtime. Our sight word here is read. 2. My mother is always at the right side of our bed. Our sight word here is right. 3. Father and mother sang me a lullaby. Our sight word here is sing. 4. We sit sometimes when we aren't sleepy yet. Our sight word here is sit. Next, I finally sleep after reading the story. Our sight word here is sleep. Let's proceed to our next batch of sight words. Let's read. Tell, there, these, those, upon, us, use, very, wash, which, why, wish, work, would, right. Let's proceed to the set of sentence or sentences. 1. I will tell my friend to play with me during summer. Our sight word here is tell. Next, their toys are nice. Our sight word here is their. Next, these are the things that I need in school. Our sight word here is these. Those are the toys that I use to play. Our sight word here is those. Next, we visit our Aunt Jenny upon knowing that she is ill. Our sight word here is upon. Next, our Uncle Larry bought some food for us. Our sight word here is us. We use our new kitchen utensils to set the table. Our sight word here is use. 3. The food were very delicious. Our sight word here is very. Next, we wash the dishes right after eating. Our sight word here is wash. Next, which food did you like the best? Uncle Larry asked. Our sight word here is which. Next, why are you crying? Teacher asked my classmate. Our sight word here is why. Next, he said, I wish to have my own table. Our sight word here is wish. 3. He likes to do his work alone. Our sight word here is work. 4. Would you like to transfer a seat? My teacher asked him. Our sight word here is would. 5. My classmate writes, yes please, as his answer. Our sight word here is writes. Alright, I hope you learned something and I hope you enjoyed the different sight words that we have. Very good, great job. Okay, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will be updated to my next videos and tutorials and also some lessons. And also don't forget to like it. Thank you very much. God bless. Bye.